I'm going to check for leaks. I just replaced this airbag, and I'm going to check for leaks on there. And the way you check for leaks, use that good old dishwashing liquid. Just get you a bottle from Dollar Tree. This only $1 at Dollar Tree. Get you a bottle of dishwashing liquid. Put some in the bottle. Put some water on there. Just a regular spray bottle with soap and water. And you spray down. Spray down wherever you're looking for the leak at. And if it's leaking, it should start bubbling up. Okay, there's no bubbles, so that one good.